Guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to give calendar access to your Facebook profile, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app. Simply come to the menu section by tapping at these three lines in the top right corner, and then just simply tap at this gear to open up settings and privacy. Once you come to settings and privacy, just scroll down a little bit until you get the option of device permissions. Just simply find that option, like it's over there, and tap at it, device permissions. Here you can see the option of calendars on the right top. Here you can see it like say that not allowed. We are going to align that. Just simply tap at see information, tap at update settings. It will be redirect you to like your mobile phone settings. Tap at open device settings to go to that specific page. So here like simply what all I have to do is just tap at permissions. Here you can find the option of calendar on the very top. Just simply tap at calendar and tap at allow. So like in this way you can allow or give calendar access to your Facebook profile. So that's how you can easily give calendar access to your Facebook profile. So I hope it's helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave in comment section below and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks guys, and if you think that this video have helped you, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, so goodbye till the next video.